two gays. I stopped.
To what?
Two guys.
Guys,
I stopped.
No, she pepper sprayed me.
Oh, okay. You alright? You need an ambulance?
And then the guy got out and started trying to film her because she had just...
Were they inside their car?
They were in...
Incident road rage. Battery date, the 9th of May, 2026. Location roundabout, jurisdiction unconfirmed, United States. Subject charged with 2 counts of battery following unprovoked OC spray deployment.
Sir, can you go back to your car?
Open us.
Hi, how are you? Okay.
Say, two gays. I stopped.
To what?
Two guys.
Guys.
I stopped. And after, they go to left and go after me. Before me.
Oh, can you go back to your car, please?
Before me. It's very dangerous.
Okay, is this your car?
Yes.
Okay, are you alone?
She pepper sprayed me in my apartment.
Okay.
We were at this U-turn right here, right? Going around here.
Like the roundabout?
The roundabout. All the cars in front of her bumped. It was like 2 minutes. I honked at her, gave her like a nice little honk. Still nothing. Her car was off. I'm like, it must have been broken down. So I go around her. All of a sudden, she speeds up behind me, and she gets out of her car, and I see her run through my window.
Are you with her?
No, she pepper sprayed me in the
Oh,
face.
okay. You alright? Do you need an ambulance?
Nope. I mean, I just washed my whole face. I got everything on video if you want it.
Yeah, if you can go talk to Officer Torcias
Sounds
over
good.
there.
And so I go down my window. I'm like, I thought your car was like broken down. I'm sorry. And then she pepper sprayed us through our car window. And it's all over our face and mouth and eyes.
I just washed my face.
And yeah, she pepper sprayed us.
You guys
And
need
she
to
got pepper
call
sprayed.
rescue or
And I have a
anything?
video of her harassing us.
Yeah,
and
she
hitting
came
my
and attacked
car,
him.
if you want
Right,
to see
where's
it.
her car?
Her
Right
car's right there.
Oh, hers?
Ours is right there.
Hers is which one?
That's where it is.
The Toyota?
Yeah, this guy went around me because I stopped called police, and then she went around me as well. And she was behind us when she attacked us.
Okay, so she was behind you guys here. You guys were
I was
in
behind
line.
her first.
You were behind her. She
Yes,
wasn't moving.
She wasn't moving. The car was off. So I went around her. All of a sudden, her car turned around. She flew up right behind us. Got out of the car, and I go down. I shouldn't roll down the window. I go up there, and I was like, "Hey man, how you doing? Sorry, I thought your car was broken in." All of a sudden, she was pepper sprayed us through our window.
100 copy.
If
Okay, pull in right there.
they have more rich car, they can't make everything
That's
what
fine.
they want.
Rich, can you just pull in there? Can you tell me what happened?
I stay in the line.
You're in the waiting line.
Yes,
Okay.
I go back because I swim in this place. And this is guy, they see my car not reach, and I just see my phone, and they moved in left side. When I drive, they moved. I stopped very quickly, and I ask if they why you move? I'm first. They say your car broken.
Okay. I'm not having a hard time understanding. So you're waiting in line, right?
Yes, I'm waiting in line.
And then what do they do?
First, before me car go to street, I just 1 second in phone, and they go left or right. I don't know. Right side before me. When I drive too, when they stopped, I took and asked why you make this. It's dangerous.
Yeah.
It's dangerous
I think I'm
because
behind
it's like crash. We make crash.
Okay.
And I first, and they say, we think your car broken.
Okay. Who said that?
It's say big guy.
Okay. Okay. So then what happened?
Huh?
And then he said your car is broken, and then what happened?
That's it. I sit in my car.
So nothing happened after
Nothing happened. After they go out in the car and begin make video.
that? Okay. So they start filming you?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I just why you make this? It's very dangerous.
Okay. So
Because I have one crash, I have stress. I can't make stress because my heart, I have problem with my heart.
okay.
The guy
Okay.
went around her, and that set her off. And she pulled up really close behind them, and I could tell she was like kind of road raging a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I saw her get out of the car, and she pepper sprayed them. And then the guy got out and started trying to film her because she had just...
Were they inside their car?
They were inside their car. Yeah.
Okay.
They
was
were in
it,
their car the whole time, and then
was
she
it like
went up.
right after she got out of the car? Was there any words exchanged or anything like that?
We couldn't hear.
We couldn't
anything,
hear.
But we watched her like pull up right behind them,
And then she got out of her car
around the car to the driver's side,
and was like yelling at
yelling, and then she went back, got back into her car,
So
and that's when I think
the guy in the passenger seat came out of his car to like get her license plate and film, and she went over and started like hitting him, tried to like grab his phone.
So he got out of the car.
So I was like,
break it.
Yeah.
guys, break this up. Like, this is crazy. And then she got back in her car and scraped the back, like pulled around them and like with her bumper scrape. And I think he has it on video.
Oh God.
They go out and make filming.
Okay, so there was no physical between
No,
you.
no,
Nobody
of
touched
course.
anybody. Nobody
No,
pushed anybody.
I'm just aggressive and stressed because
Okay.
it's gay, it's stupid, rich guy. I hate this.
Okay.
Oh, you gonna pepper spray me again?
You want more? You want more?
What do you want?
You want more?
What's wrong with you?
You want more? You
Stop.
want more?
We already got the cops online. Stupid.
Crash! I can't make crash with you. It's my lane. It's my
Oh yeah, suck it up.
gay. You
Fat.
crazy man.
She pepper sprayed us in the eyes. Yeah, she pepper sprayed us.
All right. Well,
That's what we're saying. That's why we're pissed off.
oh, you should call the police. That's
Yeah, he's on the. Yeah, and then she comes harassing us.
You
Yeah.
have her license plate number?
Yeah, we already got
All
everything.
right. That's insane, dude. Are you okay?
Oh, she just hit our rental. Oh, she just hit it. She just hit the rental.
Okay, is that new or old?
It's old.
I don't know. Maybe new. Maybe when they drive. I don't know. I'm not feel something.
You don't feel that? Okay. All right, stand by with this officer for me, okay? Hey, hi guys, I'm Officer Bernatova. I know you already talked to the other officers, but I have to speak with you as well. So you were in which vehicle?
In that black Range Rover.
Okay, and so can you tell me what happened?
We were at the roundabout
Okay.
over there.
Okay.
We were behind, waiting in line.
I'm sorry, who's driving?
I'm driving.
Okay.
He's in the passenger seat.
Okay.
She's in front of the car in front of me, right?
In front of the car in front of you?
No, she's in front of me.
Okay, got it.
Right in front of me. In her Toyota over there.
Okay.
All the cars start leaving, and they're like up here already.
Okay.
And it's been like a minute. I honked.
Okay.
Nothing. Car wasn't even on. There was no lights, no brake lights. Car wasn't even on.
Okay.
So I went around it. All of a sudden, like a minute later, her car comes on. She flies up behind my car, gets out, and I'm thinking, I'm like, oh, what the fuck? And I roll down my window like an idiot. I roll down my window because I was like, oh, I'm sorry. I thought your car broke down, so I just went around it. I'm sorry about that. You go in front of me. I didn't even get 2 words out. She pepper sprays the entire inside of our car. I
Through the
jumped out
driver's seat?
through my
The driver
door.
window?
Yeah,
Okay.
right in my face.
It's both of us.
It's both of us.
Okay.
I get out. He gets out.
And
I
at
yell
that
to
point,
him.
I have a video
I yell
of
to him
her.
to get her license plate, and then that's when he gets a video. She starts attacking him, calling us and stuff, and hitting him, and then she gets right back in her car, hits our Range Rover, hits our car, and then flies around us, and that's when.
Okay. You guys both got hit in the eyes
Both
with
of us
the.
got hit with
Okay.
our
Do you
face.
need a medical?
I don't
My
even
face
know.
is burning up. I don't know
His
even
face
what
is
to do.
burning. My face is burning. I mean, we already had sunburn. Now we got pepper spray on top of it. His face is all red. I can imagine what mine looks like.
Okay. Do you guys want rescue? They can come here and
I
violate.
mean, how
they
much
do?
is that going to cost?
How much is
It's
that gonna
well,
cost?
so if we call them and they check you out,
Yeah.
I don't believe they're gonna charge you for that, but I don't take my word for it. I'm not really sure how it works. The thing is, we get pepper sprayed for as part of our training.
Yes.
And it's like hours of you can't even open your eyes.
Okay.
So this, thank God, wasn't
Yeah,
bad.
it wasn't
It
bad.
was
Yeah,
some
we had
sort of.
sunglasses on.
Yeah.
Like, it
Okay.
got our
Yeah.
entire
That
skin
helped.
of our face.
So in my experience, it doesn't get worse. But then again, I don't know what she used. Okay,
Right.
I'm gonna
Can
talk
you
to her
check
about
it
Yeah,
that.
let's figure out what she
we'll
used.
figure it out. Did you happen to notice like what she did with it after, or?
She went back
She
into
went
her car.
back into her car.
Okay,
but,
okay. And that's when you got out and started.
That's when
filming
I
her.
got,
It's a
because
small
I
camera
first,
scene.
my intention was to get her license plate,
Right.
but then that's when she came out. I didn't see anything in her
Okay.
hand,
Okay.
but I was backing away because I thought she'd come after me again
Yeah.
with it. So I
Yeah.
I
felt,
can't believe this.
Okay.
That's insane.
You know, I am afraid be in America because they can call ICE officer and make problem with me. Yes?
I don't understand.
No?
What, you're afraid in America? If you're afraid in America, then why don't you leave?
I can't leave?
Free to go whenever you want. If you're afraid here, you should leave.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
When I go to America, I'm not afraid. But after, I afraid.
Alexeva, is it? Okay. So listen, so the vehicle did crash into their car when you were passing them. When you passed them after the argument, you crashed into them. So there's going to be a crash report as well. Okay? Yes.
It's my reason.
Yes.
Okay.
So I've been told that when the other car passed you, you got out of the car, walked towards the car, and pepper sprayed the occupants.
I show them spray, but I not.
Давайте переведу. Настя, да?
Я поняла, что она сказала.
Да?
Ну да.
Точно? Ага.
Okay, so you had a pepper
Они
spray.
сказали, что я распылила им спрей. Я просто им показала спрей.
Okay, so it didn't go off?
No.
Okay. Well,
I say if I don't know who is it. Maybe druggers, maybe crazy. I need be safe all time. I just take my paper spray in my head.
but you got out of your car and went to their car, so why would you feel concerned about your safety?
Смотри. Okay, alright. So basically, I guess they cut her off, and that's why she exited the vehicle and approached them.
Okay.
Because they kind of got in the spot that she was meaning to go to. It's
Okay.
like a road rage.
Okay. So you're saying you had the pepper spray and you showed it, but you didn't
No.
press it on?
No.
Okay. And then after that, you went back in the car,
Yes.
and one of the males started filming you.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I afraid after that.
Okay.
I go in the car and ask why you make this, why you make my car video.
Okay. So did you at any point touch him then?
Yes, I touch.
Okay.
I touch hand just. Why you make video? Because he be very close.
Okay. Okay. Well,
My naked body. I don't want this is video in internet. I say why you make video.
Yeah.
And my car. I don't want. If something happened, he can make photo and call police, call insurance, everything. But he like, I'm rich guy. I'm rich gay guy.
okay, Alexa. So I saw the video, okay, and it didn't really happen the way you're describing it to me. I understand that might have been your perception, but based on everything I've seen and everybody I talked to, you are going to be placed under arrest. So put your hands behind your back, just relax.
Мы тебя арестовываем.
За что?
За то, что ты ему, получается...
You're arrested for battery on both.
How long?
You're gonna see the judge in the morning. Just try to relax, okay? You're safe. We're gonna put you in the car. I'm gonna crank the AC up. You're gonna go see some people about this. Then you're gonna see the judge, and then they'll let you go, okay?
Okay.
It's nothing to
Мы
freak
тебя
out
сейчас
about.
отвезем.
I know
Ты
it's
ночь там
stressful.
проведешь, да, в обезьяннике. И завтра утром поговоришь с этим.
А меня посадят за это?
Все зависит от того, что тебе скажет судья. Садись, аккуратненько. Ноги сперва и садись.
First the left leg.
Один глаз у меня, если что, не видит, и я могу.
Okay, хорошо. I guess she's blind into one eye, that's why she can see what she's stepping into.
Okay.
Battery. Florida Statute Section 784.03. Any intentional discharge of a chemical irritant against a person constitutes battery per se. Physical contact beyond the agent itself is not required. 2 occupants struck equals 2 separate chargeable counts under this statute. Lesson: a single act may generate multiple criminal counts when multiple victims are harmed. Self-defense doctrine. Florida Statute Section 776.012. Self-defense requires a reasonable belief of imminent harm at the moment of force. A person who voluntarily exits a vehicle, closes the distance, and initiates confrontation forfeits the right to claim self-defense under this statute. Lesson aggressor status is determined by conduct, not by emotional justification. Use of force standard. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Reasonableness of force is assessed from the objective perspective of a reasonable person at the precise moment of the act, not in hindsight. No objective threat existed. Vehicle stationary. Occupant mid-sentence. No weapon visible. Lesson: subjective fear does not satisfy the objective reasonableness standard. Right to record. Glick v. Cuniff, 655 F. 3D. 78 First CIR. 2011 ACLU v. Alvarez, 679 F. 3D. 583 7th CIR. 2012. Recording in public spaces is protected conduct under the First Amendment. Any physical interference with that act constitutes a separate and independently actionable battery. Lesson: attempting to stop a person from filming in public generates additional criminal and civil exposure. Probable cause: Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Warrantless arrest requires fair probability, not certainty, that a crime was committed. 2 consistent victim statements, 1 independent eyewitness and civilian video, independently and collectively satisfy probable cause before the suspect interview began. Lesson: probable cause is cumulative. Each piece of corroborating evidence strengthens the threshold. Admissions and evidence. Federal Rule of Evidence 804b3. Voluntary admissions against penal interest are admissible as exceptions to hearsay. The subject admitted OC, canister possession and physical contact with the victim. Her contradicted denial of discharge compounds criminal exposure under corpus delicti doctrine. Lesson: partial admissions combined with contradicted denials damage credibility and strengthen prosecution. Custodial arrest: Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. Officers may effect a full custodial arrest for a misdemeanor when probable cause exists. Battery, classified as a first-degree misdemeanor, fully supports warrantless custodial arrest. Civil remedies: victims retain independent tort claims for battery and property damage. Civil liability standard is preponderance of evidence materially lower than beyond reasonable doubt. Equal protection: 14th Amendment U.S. Constitution, 42 U.S.C., Section 1983. An officer advising a subject to leave the country in response to expressed immigration fears contravenes DOJ community policing guidelines and may implicate equal protection doctrine. If nationally motivated, such conduct may support a Section 1983 civil rights claim. Lesson: immigration status is legally irrelevant to criminal investigation. Officer conduct must remain neutral.